Hello, Bearable traders. This is Vicer. It's April 30th, 2020. It's a trade recap for two trades, an account that I took today. The first one is on the Nasdaq futures, which you can see here, left corner. 1 minute chart. Light gray is the overnight session. The black is normal market hours. So in the first 1 minute candle, what we saw was a close below the three moving averages. The blue is the 9, the purple is the 50, and the bronze is the 20. And I took a short at 01.25. I'll go ahead and highlight that for you. So I took a short like right around here, and I closed at 92.5. That's right in there. So it's about 9 points. It's not a huge money maker. It's roughly, I think, it's about $175. But the reason I took the short was because Nasdaq futures had been up significantly yesterday. I'll switch back over to that in a minute. And then all three moving averages were lined up for a short. In terms of VWAP, also, VWAP is this white line here on this chart. So there's definitely some downward pressure from all the moving averages. And with the Nasdaq being up so high, in the last 24 hours, I was more interested in taking a short trade initially upon market open. The other trade is actually a trade in gasoline. I'm going to get this loaded up for you. Assuming it will load. Okay, here we go. So this is the, it's called RBOB, which you can see here, RBOB. So this is a raw gasoline futures contract for June. I'm just showing this trade, not because I trade gasoline a lot, not because I trade oil, not because I trade gold, any of those things. I'm just showing you that, scrolling through different underlines, you may see a trade opportunity set up. And this is one that I saw setting up on my chart, and so this is why I took the trade. It's a small scalp trade. You can see price had moved up this morning significantly and made a decent pullback, and then price started closing above the 9 moving average here. So I'm looking to take several ticks out of this. It's not a lot of money. It's like, I don't know, it's around $4 a tick. And so I was looking to get in right around the 9 moving average and close at the 50 moving average. So I'll try and do my best to highlight this for you. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Got in at 96. Yeah, so I got in right here, and then I closed at 1.7, which is right here. This is a few ticks. It's a small trade. It did actually go against me for a short period of time, almost to my stop out. But the reason for holding, you can see here, was all these tails on these candles, which to me indicated buying pressure, at least for the last approximately 10 minutes. And so that's why I was willing to hold up until the target here, and that's where I closed the order, limited in, limited out. Surprisingly, I'm going to go ahead and zoom out now. gasoline actually crashed today. I'm going to call it. Hold on, let me switch this chart. Yeah, you can see on this chart, here's where I made this small scalp trade, and gasoline. After that, it just completely crashed. I mean, we're talking almost. We'll just roughly call it, 9/10 of a point. That's a massive move in gasoline. So what we currently have is we have oil going up, we have gasoline crashing, and here you can see in the last 15 minutes of the futures day that gasoline did recover approximately 60% of that move, which was quite interesting for me to see coming back and looking at this. So those are my two trades in this account for today. I typically trade, because I'm in Central Europe, I typically trade during the night or first part of the morning, and then I stop trading. So hope all of you had a green day, and I'll see you in chat tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.